Okay, after installation, we are logging in root user only. Now go to terminal. SSH space root at the rate of 192.168.0.190. Enter. Root password is root.123. Enter. So now type who am I? Enter. I'm in root user. I want to switch user to S for the ADM, SAP SID. Enter. Now type who am I? Enter. Now I want to check after installation, your SAP system is running. Now I want to check it is running or not. Okay. SAP control space minus NR space primary application server instance number 11 space minus function space get process list. Enter. Okay, running. So system is running. After installation, system is running. Now what I want to do is, here I already installed SAP logon. I'm opening the SAP logon. I want to create entry for SAP by using this SAP logon. Here, click new connection. Click next. Entry name is SAP S for HANA. Like any name. For example, I set as development system. It is development system. That is the title. By this name, I'm creating the entry. So SAP system ID is S for T. Here I want to enter the primary application server instance number. Here I want to enter the IP address 192.168.0.190. Finish. Okay, now double click entry. Entry is connected. Now, before we saw afternoon, before starting installation time, they clearly told you after installation, you have client 000. In client 000, you have DDIC user is there, SAP star user is there. So here, now we are doing post installation steps. Post installation steps. This is the step we are doing. Okay. Now, first step actually, we want to backup system. So last I show you how to backup. Okay. Now we want to log on to the SAP system. That is the step we want to do. We want to do log on to the SAP system. How to log on to the SAP system? So after installation is completed, I have client 000. In client 000, we have SAP star user and DDIC user and password is
to the SAP system.
Master password. Password is master password. So this is the step we want to do. So who told in installation time only? SWPF. In installation time only, that client 000 is created. In client 000, SAP star DDIC user is created. So password is master password. That means now here they asking client user password. So I know when installation time is client 000 is created. Okay, client 000. And user, I have two users. One is DDIC user and the DDIC user. Password is master password. I'm entering final underscore 1234. Okay, I enter the password. Logon language EN means English. After installation is completed, you have two languages. One is English language and German language. These two languages is available. Enter. Okay, we log in successfully. Continue. Yeah, we successfully log in into the system. Now log off. Exist, click yes to log off. Now client 000 DDIC user is completed. Now client 000 SAP star user I want to do. Client 000 user is now SAP star final underscore 1234. Log on language in English. Enter. Continue. Continue. Successfully log on. Enter. Log off. Another way is that system log off. Yes. Okay. First, this step is completed. This step is completed. Now, next, create company address. That is the step we want to do. We want to create a company address in client 000. What is the T code to create a company address? SUCOMP is the T code to create a company address. So now I'm logging into the system. SUCOMP is the T code. Enter. Enter the company name. At what name you want to provide, enter that company name in company input field. This is the input field, company input field. There we want to enter the company name, SAP SC. I'm providing. Paper symbol is create or new. Pencil symbol is edit or change. Spectral symbol is display. Dustbin symbol is delete. You want to know the icons. Okay, click create. Okay, here in this field, in this whatever you fill or not, these two compulsory you want to fill up. Country, time zone, because here star mark is there. Here in which you have star mark, that fields compulsory you want to fill up. That is the meaning of star mark. Here, entire in this page, only that two entries only, that two input fields only you want to provide. So here they are asking country. Click here, click this icon. Scroll down. Yes, select and click continue. Time zone, click here. You click here, otherwise use F4. When you click F4 also, they display list. Not only here, in country also you click there and press F4 means they display. Scroll down. Directly I double click also. After providing that two details, click save. Okay, now click change company address, standard address, continue. Now company address is assigned successfully. Actually, one of the step also I miss. Before actually this one, before what step we want to do means we want to do installation check actually. After doing that one, we want to do create company address. SICK or SM28 is the T code to check. SICK, enter. They tell, I check your entire SAP system. I'm telling there is no errors. Go back. Same T code. SM28 also. Same program. Different T code. Okay. When you open certification book, in that book, they clearly mention what they check. In installation check, what they check everything. In certification book, you got it clearly. They check the message server, operating system, version details, everything they check. Complete everything. Yeah, this is the image. They check complete your installation, they check. They check version, SAP release, and operating system detail. They check your kernel is matching or not. To database, kernel, everything, they check. They check any table. They check your message server. They check your work process type. They check your information about NQ server. So they're checking your installation, your SAP release, operating system, kernel, database, and message server, work process, NQ server. This they checking. They check everything and intimate finally. They tell I don't have any issues. So there is no error like that. They intimate you. So last in previous classes, I show one image. When you got a problem, they got red mark here in the place. You got red mark, not green mark. When you open here you got red mark, not green mark. So we want to check that image means it will take time. Previously, I show that. Okay, like this. I check your SAP system. They tell intimate what is the problem. This is the problem. You fix this problem. So clearly they mention also, do not use that system before fixing this problem. So after fixing that problem, you want to do post installation steps and everything. Okay, that means first log on to the SAP system. After you check there is no errors means on that time, you create company address and do one by one. So now next step is create user. T code is SU01. Why I want to create user? I have two users. SAP star and DDIC users. I have two users, SAP star and DDIC user. Then two users are super users. That two users have full authorization in SAP system. Authorization means permission. Authorization means permission. Two users have full authorization, but the two users have full authorization, but that two users are not allowed customizing and development related tasks. Okay, so the two users have full authorization, but the two users are not allowed customizing task and related tasks. That's why you want to create a user. So now I want to create user. T code is SU01. Enter. Okay, So here directly create user one way is there. Copy user another way is there. Two ways is there to create user. Directly you create user, that is the one way. Another one is copy user. I want to do copy user. Here in user input field, I am entering DD user. I have already DD user is there in my system. Okay, DDIC user. Click copy button. That means I'm copying DDIC user to admin_000. Admin_000 is the new user. That user is not available in this system. That means I'm copying DDIC user information to admin_000 and creating the new user. Click copy. Now it is the dialog user. No need to provide anything. When copying a user, simply here you enter the password. For example, I am entering welcome 100. Here also I am providing password welcome 100. After entering password, means this is the password for this user. After entering password, click save. User created. Here you got the information. User created. Now log off from the system and log in with this user. Exist. Yes. Double click entry. Okay, user that one. Welcome 100. Enter. It is a dialog user. When you log in with a dialog user first time, they ask to create your own password. That is the dialog user. When any person log in with a dialog user first time, you want to create your own password. I am creating final_1234. Final_1234. And click continue. Continue. User create is successfully. User creation is completed. So next post installation step. Profiles. You want to import profiles. Import profiles. T code is RJ10. Then installation time only profiles is created. After installation, profiles is available in your SAP system. Now here, go to RJ10. This is the SAP system level. Click here. Data link, no profiles found. After installation in SAP system level, profiles are not available. Okay, this screen is SAP system level. Operating system level means click here, files, other locations, SLES, USR, SAP, SID, SYS, profile. These two have special icon, global profile. That means you access this folder globally. But this folder is only system wide only. That is the meaning. Profile. Here profiles is there. USR, SAP, SID, SYS, profiles is there. In operating system, level, you call as operating system level or file system level, profiles is available. USR installation drive, USR, SAP, SID, SYS, profile. This is the path, location of the profile. Now here in operating system level, profiles is there, but in SAP system level, profiles is not available. How you get profiles in SAP system level? Answer: import profiles to the database. Okay. So when you import profiles into the database, you got profiles in SAP system level. Now what we want to do? We want to import profiles into the database. For what purpose I want to import profiles into the database? When I import profiles into the database, they show profiles in SAP system level. Profile files is available in SAP system level. That's why I want to import profiles into the database. How? Same RJ and T code only. RJ10, utilities, import profiles of active servers. It is started importing profiles into the database. Okay, profiles is imported. Now go back. This is the back button. Click here. Now click here. They show profiles. Okay, that is one of the steps. So in here, in post installation steps. Okay, so first what they do, they backup. After backup, create user. When creating user time only, they create. When creating the first dialog user, may be informed that no default company address. When you're creating user time only, they intimate you. There is no company address. That's why first you create. In this case, create and maintain the default company address. So before creating user only, first you create a default company address. That will be completed. Profiles import is completed. Now schedule standard jobs. In S/4HANA system, so clearly they mention this is S/4HANA system, this is other system. They clearly mention in other systems, we want to schedule standard job. Here standard job is there. But in S/4HANA, here you have job repository is there. When you go to SM36, SM36, enter. Here there is no standard jobs option. But in other systems, not S/4HANA, you are using NetWeaver, ECC like that, you got standard system option. Okay, you got standard, this one, with this standard jobs option. But in S/4HANA, you did not get. You get job repository only. Click this one. Okay, you got like this. Here, you no need to schedule standard jobs. In other systems, compulsory want to schedule standard jobs. In S/4HANA, you no need to schedule standard jobs. Why in S/4HANA, you no need to schedule standard job means, so jobs are automatically scheduled by technical job repository. This job repository only automatically schedule the job. That's why. But here, not like that. We want to schedule standard jobs in other system. In S4HANA, job repository only schedule the jobs. That's why. So once we check any experiment, user is completed. This RFC connection is not possible. Okay. In company only, this router RFC connection is possible. Here is not possible. I told you, no, 98, 99 instance number are reserved for SAP router purpose. So 98, 99 instance number are reserved for SAP router purpose. Profiles is completed. I show you how to change the work process also. Here is that check the standard background jobs in the SAP system using the job repository. Go to job repository. In the technical job repository screen, check for standard jobs in column job status. That's enough. Here, no need to do anything. Okay, go back. Next post installation step is this SC06. Next one is SC06. Okay, here go to SC06 decode, enter. You install directly means it is standard installation. You install directly means it is standard installation. Or you done system copy or database migration means you select this one and click this one, perform post installation. They're asking you want to reinstall CTS. CTS means change the transport system. You no need to reinstall CTS actually. Reinstall means they're telling already it is installed. That is the meaning of reinstall. When installation time only, SWPM only install that CTS, change transport system. You no need to do. Suppose you want to do means click yes. Okay, they're telling now you configure TMS. SC06 for that purpose only. You want to change the settings, change the system option. For that purpose also we use SC06. Here is the system change option. Click this one. So these are the software components you want to modify, not like that. Here also click this and set like not modifiable. In production systems, in company in production system like that is they set. Okay, and not only this one, directly you go to client page also. Click client settings. Directly you go to client page also. Okay, there is only one default client only is available. Suppose here in middle of the page I am there. In middle of the page is there. So in SAP Easy Access screen only, I'm entering the T code. Every T code, you want to open any program by using T code. Every T code, every program have different T code is there. T code means transaction code. No need to enter in SAP Easy Access screen. From here to go to another program means I am in one of the program. From here, I want to go to another program means simply STMS. Means next step is configure TMS. Okay, simply STMS. You enter in caps letters or small letters, no problem. Enter /n like that T code. So it is loading. You saw now it is loading. Click save. They tell one user is created. That username is TMS ADM. You enter new password for TMS ADM. Same password. Final underscore 1234. Final underscore 1234. Okay, click this continue. Okay, overview systems. I have only one system. I want to change this name. Select SAP system, change, and set type description as development. Like that, I set. Click save. Go back. You want to maintain only one system is no problem. Suppose you want to maintain development and production system is you want to add one system here. You want to maintain development quality production means you want to add that two systems. Here I have only one system. Now I want to create system. It is domain controller. Okay. SAP system, create virtual system. Okay. Yes for Q. That means in my company, I have quality system is there. That quality system SAP system ID is S for Q. Description means short test. Quality assurance. Click save. Once again, SAP system, create virtual system. In my company, production system SAP system ID is S for P. Production. Click save. Okay, development, production, quality. It is the virtual systems, these two virtual system. By seeing this icon, you want to understand virtual system. This is the controller. Now we want to create transport routes between these systems. Environment, transport routes. Okay, click configuration. Here they are not showing standard configuration option here. How you get standard configuration option here? Click here, display or change. Now click here configuration. Now you get standard configuration. It is single system or it is development and production means two system landscape or it is three systems. It is three systems. Click this one. Provide the development system. Click this. Double click on S40. Provide the quality system. Click this. This is the quality S for Q. Provide the production system. Click here. Okay, provide. Continue. You want to see full screen means zoom in. Okay. Now finally, you want to activate means click save. So here title you want to provide. Any title you want to provide, here I am providing this name. SAP S4HANA Server Transport Landscape. Click continue. Yes, I want to distribute and activate it. Click yes. TMS is completed. Successfully, TMS is completed. Okay, now this SC06 is completed. TMS is completed. In that post installation steps, one lesson is completed. Now, lesson 2, license. T code is yes license. After installation is completed, you have temporary license T. 3 months. Temporary means 3 months valid license key. You have 3 months license key. That is valid. Within 3 months, you did not apply permanent license key. Within 3 months, you did not apply permanent license key. The license is expired. After expiring license key, only SAP Star user login is possible. Remaining users login not possible. You log in with SAP Star user also. It is not possible to create, change repository objects. That's why compulsory you want to apply a license key. You want apply license key. What are the details you want to require? Hardware key and SAP SID. These details you want to provide. These two details you want to provide to generate a license key. Okay. To generate a license key from the SAP support portal, you want to provide these two details. Support portal, request keys, user ID, scroll down, continue, password, scroll down, continue. Click license keys. I already generated a license key. That's why I used to already used license key only. Okay, click here. And this is the installation number. Scroll down. Yeah, this one is there. Click this one. Here, this is not my hardware key. I want to change hardware key. How you know the hardware key of your system is /n s license. Enter. S license is the T code. Okay. So after installation, here in your system, you have maintenance key, NetWeaver key. Two licenses keys is there. Maintenance key and NetWeaver key. Here, today only we install this one. Today only we install. This is the expect date of end date of license key. Temporary license, it is valid. So green color symbol indicates valid. Yellow color means suppose your license is expiring within 10 days means they show yellow color. Second icon. First icon is red. Red means expired. That is the meaning. Yellow means expiring soon. That is the meaning. Okay, you want to generate a license key from the SAP support portal. You want to provide SAP system ID and this hardware key. These two details you want to provide. Select, edit, okay, Esperana 20, not 23. Okay, please select. Back, back.
So I think you're the old
It is there. It is
system.
there. It is there. Okay, select, edit. Okay, SAP Esperana 2022. So details, SAP system ID, operating system, database, everything is okay. Here my operating system is Linux. And click continue. And select and click this edit because this is not the hardware key. Okay, there. This is the hardware key. I provide the hardware key. Here, click here and one add. Now select and click generate. Scroll down, select, download. License key is downloaded. Okay, now here, click install. Where is that license key? Okay, this is the key. Select remember my decision and click allow. Okay, here actually that support portal is supported for providing only one license key. They are not providing maintenance license key. Okay, click continue. Okay, they provided only this key. They did not provide maintenance key. Okay, so this is the way. Some support portal, they provide two keys, but here you remember this maintenance key, you got only 3 months only. This maintenance key, you got permanent 3 months only. Every 3 months, you want to generate that maintenance key, permanent key. That maintenance permanent key means 3 months only. Okay, so this is the way you want to apply the license key. License is completed. Okay, next we go to book. License is completed. The task is completed. So Java license is different. I show that one also when doing Java experiment. I show that one also. It is very easy, that one also. Operation mode, we have separate topic. That's why in post installation step, we no need to do operation mode setup. Logon group, we don't have additional application server instance. That's why here we did not doing. Printer also, separate topic is there. That's why we are not going printer. Router, in company only SAP router, OSS RFC connection is possible. Here is not possible. That's why remote connection to SAP support portal is skipping in this training. Configuring remote connection to SAP support portal. Okay, these are all your SAP systems. In your company, one SAP router is there. All SAP systems is connected to that SAP router. From SAP support portal side also, means from SAP side also, one SAP router is there. Okay, so this is your company. For example, any company you take, in their company, these are the systems is available. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 systems are connected to the SAP router in your company, SAP router. So in SAP side also, one SAP router is there. You want to connect to that SAP router. On that time, when you done this SAP router connection, what will be happen means, from your by using your SAP system, you directly access to the SAP support portal. Here you saw, I open the SAP support portal separately, but here from directly, when you go to S license key code, here when you click here, directly you can request a license key in the SAP support portal. Request license key. Click here. Select remember meditation and click allow. Directly it will be open. Then directly it will be open like this. When you have SAP router connection, directly it will be open for that purpose. Okay. Now go back. You want to create RFC connection, OSS connection. Some task you want to do, that router configuration. Installation check is completed. Language import is there, but now in this, we are doing system upgrade. No, for that purpose, we are not importing the languages. Normal in your regular classes, we import that one. Now we are skipping that one. That's enough. Okay, now I want to do some steps also. Okay, remaining some steps is there. You want to do that one. Suppose I want to increase the work process. I want to increase the work process. How to increase the work process? That is one of the steps is there. Like this. Here I want to increase 18 dialog work process and 16 background work process. And 4 update work process. Okay, how to increase that one? So that means we are changing. Increasing work process means we are changing work process information. In SAP system, you want to change anything by using profiles only. That means go to object and decode. Enter. Click here. Here we have default profile. System-wide, only one default profile you have. Instance profile. This is ACS instance profile. SID, ACS instance number, computer name. SAP SID, primary application server instance number, computer name. Every instance, you have instance profile. Suppose I install additional application server instance, include application server instance. That instance profile also I get. Okay, that one also I get. So here, you want to increase and decrease the work process means you want to use instance profile only. By using instance profile only, it is possible to increase and decrease the work process. That means now here I'm increasing and decreasing the work process. That means I want to use instance profile only. So work process is available inside primary application server instance. Work process is available inside primary application server instance. Double click this one, instance profile. Extended maintenance, change. Here, scroll down. Here, dialog work process 10 is there. So in this book, what they're telling you increase means you increase dialog work process to 18, from 10 to 18. Or this book, or display slash WP means work process, number of dialog. Number of dialog work process 10 is there. Double click here. Here 10 dialog work process is there. I changed as 18. Okay. Minimum 2 dialog work process compulsory you want to maintain. After changing, click copy here. Go back. Background work process. So they set background work process as 16, like that they're telling. So here, how many background work process is there? 6 is there. Double click here. I set 16 background work process, like that. Copy. Go back. Now, for update work process. This is one update is there. I set as 4 update work process. Copy. Go back. So this one, double click here. This one, 2, like that. Copy, go back. Like that, what are the work process you want to increase? Like that, increase. Copy here. Go back. Save. Do you want to activate the profile? Yes, I want to activate. Click yes. Click continue. Click continue. Okay, I change. System, new window I am opening. It is second window. Okay. SM50. You want to see. Now I'm logged in primary application server instance. I want to see how many work process is available. I want to see miss. So particular instance, particular in that instance, you want to see how many work process means go to work SM50, enter. Now in the system, 10 dialog work process is there. 1 dialog work process is busy with my request. 1 dialog work process is running. Because I log in, no, my request is processed by that dialog work process. Remaining work process are free. So 6 background, 1 update, like that. Here you see the status. Why already I changed, why here they did not change means after restart the system only the changes will be done. Now, I want to create user also. Sorry, client. I want to create another client. How to create client? Go to SCC4 decode, enter. In S4HANA, when you're creating client, as the same details you want to provide. As this same details you want to provide. Role anything, no problem. Country, name, everything you want to provide same like that only. Here there is no create button. How you get create button? Click edit or change. Continue. Now you get new entries. So client, here you want to enter. Client is 3-digit number. 0002 999 is available. 100. SAP AG. City. Currency. Currency European. There as this we want to provide. Okay. And client role is I'm providing like demo. Okay, we want to provide these details. And click save. Okay, remaining no need to change here. As it is, click save. Client is created. Go back. They show whatever client you created, they show. Now, double click here, entry. You want to log in with the new client means here you saw what here it will be happen here you saw. When I double click entry here, by default client is 000 is there. I want to type my client means every time I want to change like that. No need like that. You want to set 100 only default client means we set like that also. I show that one. Now 100 client. When you log in with a new user, every time you want to use user SAP star compulsory and password is pass, PASS, small letters. Enter. I provided correct details only. New client 100, user SAP star, password pass. I enter the correct details only. But why I'm not login means we want to change one setting. What is that setting means? You want to change the setting here, click here, and you want to select default profile. Select extended maintenance, change, and click create parameter. You know the parameter name is directly type here parameter name or otherwise click here. I know the parameter name login / no automatic user SAP star. So click here and type login star. Search. This one. Login / no automatic user SAP star. Double click. After installation, this parameter value is 1. When this parameter value is 1 means users login, new client login is not possible. This parameter value is 0. On that time only new client login is possible. Copy, back. At that time, I want to change another parameter also. Scroll down. Login / system _ client 000 is there. Double click. I set as 100. Copy. Go back. Copy. Go back. Save. Do you want to activate the profile? Yes. Continue. Continue. Okay, it is activated. Now exist. We want to restart the system. Exist. Exist. Yes. Restart the system.
So, what is the T code for creating a new client? I forgot this.
SCC4.
Okay.
Same command, SAP control space -NR space primary application server instance number space -function space restart. R caps, restart system space all caps. Enter. Entire SAP system we are restarting. Why? After restart the system only, whatever changes we done, work process and everything, it will be changed. So here you got it. When we use instance profile for increasing the work process, for this purpose only, we use the instance profile. Here clearly is there. For is increasing the memory size. You want to set the value of memory size for that purpose. For increasing and decreasing the work process, for this purpose, we want to do restart the SAP system. After check the result. So you want to set memory size and increase and decrease the work process. For that purpose only, you use the instance profile. Remaining changes purpose, we use default profile. Default profile means when you use default profile, you change anything means that changes will be done entire SAP system. In your SAP system, how many instances is there? In all instances, that changes will be done. That is the meaning of default profile. Instance profile means by using instance profile, for example, I told there is a, suppose in my system, I have additional application server instance also is there. I use instance profile. I use primary application server instance profile. I increase the work process in primary application server instance. It will be increasing only in primary application server instance. It will not increase in additional application server instance. That means by using instance profile, you change anything means that changes will be done in only that particular instance only. That is the instance profile. By using default profile, you change anything means that changes will be done all the instances in that system. That is the default profile. Now double click. Okay, 100 client. Now I no need to change like that. User SAP star and password pass. Enter. Now login. Suppose I want to create company address in 100 client. By using 100 client, I want to create a company address. Please mute your side. Okay, I am creating the company address. Provided the company details, create. Okay, I want to provide the country details. They don't show anything. Why? By using 100 client, I want to do anything is not possible. Why it is not possible by using 100 client means because in 100 client, there is no user master record. That means there is no user data. Without user data, you want to use that client is not possible. So without user data in client, there is no user data means that client using is not possible. How you get user data in particular client means already in 000 client, you have user data is there. You copy 000 client information to 100 client on that time, you get user data. Now, local client copy is possible. Local client copy means within one client, you are copying one client information to another client. That is the local client copy. What is the meaning of local client copy means? So you are copying one client information to another client within one system only. That is the meaning of local client. So in my system, 000 client is there, 100 client is there. I want to copy 000 client information to 100 client. That is the local client copy. Okay, first of all, I go to SM50 decode. Enter. You see, work process is increased. Now go back. So we created client in SCC4. There I did not create logical system. Now we want to create a logical system. What is the T code to create a logical system? BD54 is the T code to create a logical system. BD54. Logical system. BD54. T code. Continue. Now I am in 000 client. Now I want to create a logical system. So here, there is no, here new entries there, click here. Here you want to provide name, logical system name. For example, I want to create logical system for 000 client. 1 minute. Okay. S for D, CLNT, and client number is 000. Okay. SAP system ID. CLNT means client 000. Here short description. 000 logical system. Here also. Now S for D, CLNT 100. For 100 client also I am creating the logical system. 100 logical system. Okay. Enter. And click save. So you want to create one request. Click create request. Here I am providing short description. Logical system. Click save. Continue. Okay, logical system is created. Now what we want to do? We want to add logical system into the clients. I go back, go to SCC4 T code, enter. Now click this edit or change. Continue. Now double click client. Okay, click here and click this one. Here I logged in 100 client. This one. And click save. Continue. Go back. Now double click 000 client. Logical system. 000 client. Save. Continue. Okay, logical system is created successfully and added into the system completely successful. Okay. So now client is ready. Now client is ready. Okay, before doing client copy, we want to do some steps. Before doing client copy, we want to activate SAP GUI for HTML. NWBC activate is there. We do that one. After doing that one, we go to local client copy. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now no need to activate SAP GUI for HTML. Present no need because we are preparing the system only for as for an upgrade purpose only. No, that's why no need this one. When we are regularly as per 2023, no, on the time I show you that one. Now directly what we do is we do local client copy directly. SGen also I'm not running here. Already you know. Why means SGen will start now means it will complete tomorrow morning. That's why we no need to do SGen. Directly we do local client copy only. So now directly we go to local client copy. So create client is completed. Create logical system is completed. Add logical system is completed. That is the rule compulsory. You want to do local client copy means first you create client. That is the first step. This is very, very important. Local client copy. Why means in S4HANA local client copy is totally different. Okay. Local client copy. Create client. That is the first step. Next, after creating client, create logical system in both clients. They want to identify which client to data is copying. They want to identify in the network from which client to data is copying. They want to identify for that. Okay, next add logical system to both clients. Here also create logical system in both clients. After 3 steps is completed, fourth step is create RFC connection. Create RFC connection. RFC means remote function call. Create RFC connection. Okay, RFC connection in both clients. Okay, create RFC connection in both clients. T code is SM59. You want to create RFC connection in. You want to create RFC connection. Login in target client and create RFC connection. That is the rule. You want to create RFC connection means compulsory login in target client and create the RFC connection. Here, source client is 000. Target client is 100. Okay, means this client data we are copying. So 000 client sending data, 100 receiving data. Who receiving data? That is the target client. Who sending the data? That is the source client. That means now I am logging with 100 client and create the RFC connection. Here 000 client. Now I want to log in 100 client. 100 SAP star password pass enter. Go to SM59 T code enter. Okay, we are creating the ABAP connections. Expand here, they show what are the ABAP connections is there. Like this. Okay, now click create. So now we want to create 2 RFC connections. Okay, we want to create 2 RFC connections. Okay, one is S for D, CLNT 100. Here, connection type 3. Continue. For example, target client, short description, anything. Always here you want to provide 3 ABAP connection. Here, host name or IP address. For example, 192.168.0.190 like that, or otherwise host name. No, this is the computer name. Okay, computer name. Here, instance number, primary application server instance number, and click logon and security. Here, scroll up. Client is 100 and user is SAP star and password is PASS. Means I am creating RFC connection for 100 client. Save. Successful. Now go back. Here you saw means they show. SM59 enter. Here. Okay. Now I want to create RFC connection for 000 client. Same create. S for T, CL and T in the place of 100, 000. Click this drop down box, RFC connection 3. And click continue. Okay. It is source client. 000 is the source client. No, I am providing like source client. Same here, computer name, primary application server instance number, logon and security. Scroll up. 000 client. In 000, I have DDIC user or admin underscore 000, whatever user, and DDIC user password final underscore 1234. Okay, click save. RFC connection is completed in target client and log off from the target client. Okay. Now in source client, another T code is there where we want to create another like RFC connection only. That one also we want to create in source client. What is that T code means? FINB underscore TR underscore test. Enter. Okay, click continue. Okay, now click new entries. Here 000 client. Here in destination name S for D, CL and T 000. Suppose in target system, in target client, you did not create RFC connection, means they did not show here. When you now we press enter key like this, they show like that. When you press enter key, they show like this. Suppose in target system, in target client, you did not create RFC connection, means they did not show like this. That's why before creating this one, before providing RFC destination, first of all, you want to create RFC creation in target client. After creating RFC connection in target client, in source client, you want to provide the RFC destination. $100 S for D, CL and T, 100, enter. Okay. Clearly understand. First, what I done? I create a client. That is the first step I done. Next, what I done? I log into the client. That is the second step. Next, what I done? I create a logical system. Okay. Every step by step is very important. Why means so? In S/4HANA, local client copy is totally different. I'm telling that one only. First of all, I create client. Okay. Next, I log in new client. Next, I create logical system in both clients in 000 client by using 000 client. Same by using 000 client, I added that logical system to particular clients. I create RFC connection. Okay, I create RFC connection in target client. By using target client, I create RFC connections. Okay, both clients 000 100 clients. For both clients, I created the RFC connection. Next, sixth step, what I done? Yeah, this one only. RFC destination. RFC destination, but you want to do in source client only. T code is FINB underscore TR underscore test. Okay. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts? Is clear now? So now finally, actually, not S/4HANA. Remaining product version you are using means you want to do local client copy, means you want to log in target client and do the local client copy. But in S/4HANA, you want to login in source client and start local client copy. T code is SCCLN. Source client I already logged in. Here you saw, you got it clearly in which client you log in. When you expand this one, you got it information, your SAP system ID, which client you are login, how many tabs you open, that information you got here. In source client, I logged in. Go back. Okay, save. Yes, save. Now, what is the T code? SCCLN. Enter. Okay. Here, what is your source client? Click here. Source client is 000. What is your target client? Click here. Target client is 100. Compulsory star mark is there. Compulsory want to provide these two details. Here, user profile. Click here. Click this one. SAP underscore all. Entire all client data without changing any document. SAP underscore all. Scroll down. Here we increase the parallel jobs like that. I said test level like that. Okay, now everything is ready. Click as execute as a task list. Here also you got a system like that, edit like that. Here you got that options also. Here also directly we go like that. Here utilities, any that we got like that. Click as execute as a task list. Sorry, I think we go to direct execution. Okay, this is the screen. Here, this is the button. Start or resume. Click this one. They ask you, this is the long task. Okay, so you want to run in background. They mention you did not run the job in dialog. Compulsory want to run in background only. Click background. Actually, not as for a remaining product version, you are running background job means you want to see the status of the job, go to SCC3 code. But here, you did not use that one, no need that one. Directly, system, new GUI window, go to SM37. Why I am using SM37 means in SM37 code, they show the status of the background job. Enter. So by this user only, I created job. I don't know the job title. I don't want to see the status of the release, ready, finish, cancel. I want to see the status of active. Active means running, execute. Okay, this is the job. Who created this user is created, active, job is running. Duration 46 seconds is completed. Is there any delay? No delay. In which client? In 000 client. Refresh. Okay. After job is completed, you did not found the status here. You found the job complete details in finished status. So it will take half hour like that to complete in my system. It will take half hour to complete in my system. Local client copy will be complete fast. We did not use the system. After half an hour like that, it will be user automatically log out from S4HANA. That is like that they set. Okay, now double click entry. Double click entry. Okay, now I want to check. First I'm logging into the system. I want to check that client copy is completed or not. I want to check. That's why I'm logging into the system. How we check the client copy is completed or not? Where we check? Go to SM37 code. When you see background job status, where you found the background job status in SM37 code. So I want to see only finished status only. Click execute. Okay, this is the job. Finish. So today, at what time it will be start? How much time it will be taken? So 1835 seconds it will be taken to complete the client copy. Now, I'm in 000 client. Here you saw. Now, 100 client. Now, in 100 client, there is no admin underscore 000 user, but is available. Password is master password. Final underscore 1234, enter. It is login. In 000 client, admin underscore 000 user is there. Same user now in 100 client also is available. Why? We done client copy. Now I logged with 100 admin underscore 000 user. Got it clearly? Now whatever users, data, everything, whatever business data, whatever users, everything will be copied into the 100 client. Now in 100 client, I want to create one user. SU01. Say DDIC. Copy. I am creating one user. Admin underscore 100. Copy. Okay, I am entering password. Welcome 100. Welcome 100. Save. Okay, created. Now I want to log in with that user. 100. Admin underscore 100. Welcome 100 password. Final underscore 1234. Final underscore 1234. Continue. So in 100 new client, I created user. You have any doubt? In 000 client, when I'm creating user, what I done? Before creating user, what I done in 000 client? Anyone tell me what I done in 000 client before creating user? I created company address. But in 100 client, I did not create company address. Why? It is already copied. That's why. That's why here they did not ask. Now 100 client is available to use anything. So here 100 client is successfully login. Now here, now I am in 000 client. Go back. After client copy is complete successfully, go to object entity code, enter. Click this one. Default profile, extended maintenance, change. Double click this one, login / no automatic user SAP star. You set this value again 1. Copy, go back, copy, go back, save. Yes, activate profile, continue, continue. So after restart the system only, the changes will be done. That's why we log off. So every time when you log in with a new client, they change the value from 1 to 0. After client copy is completed, they change value from 0 to 1. That's the process they do. Okay. We want
Why,
to,
sir? Like, is there any specific reason?
you know, SAP star password pass. Everyone know. Suppose you have credential. You create one client, you log in means is possible now.
Okay. Security issues.
Security. Suppose new client to login is possible means so everyone they create new client, they login is possible.
Yeah.
So that's why they set like that. Now we want to restart the system. Okay, that is the command, enter. In company also, they maintain only 1 or 2 clients only. In that clients only, all users available. In that client only, all users data and business data will be maintained. So that's why compulsory when created client for login purpose, basis administrator, by using profiles, they change that parameter value. After doing local client copy or remote client copy or client export import is completed, client copy is completed. So they finally, once again, they change that value to old value. Till it is starting. Get started. Now I'm logging into the system. So I'm logging into the 000 client. Now I want to generate system info XML file. How? What is the T code? Spam is the T code. Enter. T code is spam. Okay. Here spam version is 57. So the latest version is 82 like that. Sorry, spam version is 82. This is SAP release, 757 release. SAP S4HANA 2022 release is 757. Spam version is 82. Now latest spam version is 89, I think. Okay. Now, actually, remember, this spam is automatically upgrades. Some only upgrade. Why means this support package manager only apply patches in your system. That's why before applying patches, based on this support package manager only, patches will be applied in the system. That's why before this support package manager will be upgraded. Tomorrow I show you got it clearly. Now, this is lower version means you click here, you got generate stack XML file here. So this version is 63 above like that is there means so this version 63 above like that is there means you got generate stack XML file. So this version is lower means first you upgrade this spam version manually. On the time only you get the generate system XML file. Now click this one. Okay, where I mentioned in desktop, I'm putting that file. Save. Okay, now exist. Yes, close. Okay, here everything we mentioned, master password, everything we got it clearly. Okay, this is also now no need this one. Okay, now I did not mention hardware key, no problem, no need. Okay, this file also, I put this file also in D drive. In D drive, in this folder only, I put that file. So here, after backup, I want this file, this details files, and license key file. I put backup. That's enough. Okay, now what we do is one thing we do. I show you how to generate a HANA database license key and how to apply HANA database license key. Here, already in my system, HANA Studio is already installed. Open HANA Studio. Here, opening support portal also. Okay, I'm opening support portal. Okay, software downloads. Password, scroll down, continue. Still HANA Studio is opening. Okay, click here, download basket. I'm checking, is there any files? Nothing. In download basket, there is no files. Okay. Now directly, okay, still HANA Studio is open. Now I'm deleting this one. Okay, suppose add system is right click, add system. Here IP address in hostname input field 192.168.0.190. Instance number is 11. Description title HANA DB is the title. Click next. System user here. User is system user and system user password. Final underscore 1234 and click here. Select this option and click finish. Here I got system. It is not connected. Why?
But actually, you're given a wrong instance number. 11 is not, I think.
11 only the instance number.
For DB, it is different.
Yeah, that one only. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that one only. Okay, remove. Right click, add system. Okay, 192.168.0.190.00 DB. Next, user is system user and system user password is final underscore 1234. Select. Next, finalize, click finish. Okay, still pending, they showing. Okay, connected, green color. So double click here means they show here. When you double click, they show everything. How much free space, everything you saw here. Now you want to see the versions also here. Click here, expand this one. Users is there. So this is, by seeing this user, you understand on this HANA database, application server instance is installed. Okay, now,
yeah. Can we do the database startup and start from this here itself?
Yeah, HANA Studio is supported.
Oh, okay. So
Now I want to apply license means select this one, right click, properties, license. Here you got, this is the hardware key. This is the hardware key. Okay, once I save that one details in my details file. This is my main system hardware key. Okay, you want to download HANA database license keys, request keys. License keys. Okay, click here and select the installation number. Not this one. Okay, this one already generated. Okay, this is the key. We want to edit. I want to change the hardware key. Edit. What? Both is same, not now. Okay, this is the hardware key. And here also you got like this all licenses. Product name. This is also very important. Product name SAP dash HANA for HANA database. Product name SAP dash HANA. So here also you have product name. In SAP you have product name for NetWeaver underscore like that. Here also for product name. This is the hardware key. Okay, here you got it. Product SAP HANA database. Product SAP HANA database. Valid, true. Permanent, not false. So this is the product limit. User memory, like that details is there. Okay. Now right click once again. Properties. Okay, this is the hardware key. Here. Continue. Everything is okay. So HANA platform edition, development, Linux operating system, continue. Select, edit. Here we change the hardware key. So here you got how much data like that. You select depending on company, you select the data. So here, this one add. Okay, now select generate. Now select and download. So database license is ready. Okay, now everything is okay. Now by using HANA Studio only, here only you have install license key. Click this one. So in D drive, in S for D, this is the license key. License key installed successfully. Okay, now we got here details, unlimited, permanent license, everything. Cancel and close the HANA Studio. Okay, and close this license also. Now finally, we want to download the patches. Not download, click system and provisioning. First of all, click system and provisioning. I am opening maintenance planner. Here, maintenance planner is there. Click that one. Or otherwise, direct link is there. This is the direct link. me.sap.com like that. Direct link is there. You open direct link also. Your wish.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah,
Hello?
ask me. Yeah.
Sir, while downloading the license key for database, you have selected some installation number, right? So how do we get that?
I did not select installation number. Hardware key only I provided. Yeah, installation number means in company only we provide one particular installation number. In basis regular time, I show you how to create the installation number. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to explore systems. Here, this is the system. First of all, I'm deleting the system. Select the system and click delete system. Suppose in landscape, these are the systems is available in landscape. You want to delete means select the system and click delete system and click yes. The system is deleted successfully. Now add the system is click add system. Select accept, click next. Here, click browse. where that file is available. I'm adding the system in the landscape now. This is the file. Okay, click next. They provide my computer name, everything. Click next. Select others, click next. For any reason, for example, for upgrade purpose, I'm adding this one into the system upgrade. Click upload.
That means we are adding to the SLD.
Yeah, I'm adding the system into the landscape.
Okay, that means SLD, which we get the installation time, right? SLD.
Yeah, that
okay.
one only.
Okay, got it.
Without solution manager, without based on solution manager, you want to add the system into the maintenance planner means by using that stack XML file, generate system info XML file, no? By using that, you add the system into the landscape. Okay. In olden days, this option is not there. In nowadays only, this option is available. Now,